everyone? My name is Allison, and today we're doing a quick 5-minute core routine. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. All you need for this workout is a mat and a light to moderate dumbbell. So let's go ahead and start. Starting off this routine, go ahead and place your weight to the side for now. We're going to begin in a seated position. Okay, with the heels down, hands behind the legs, let's do a quick warm-up exercise for the core. We're going to go ahead and inhale, dip the chin, round the back, and then exhale, sit up nice and tall. Inhale back, exhale lift. Think about scooping out the belly button, curve that upper mid-back, and then on the way up, sit up tall and lengthen that spine. As you get more warmed up, go ahead and release those hands, have them in front, and then you can gradually make it a bigger range of motion. Inhale, and then exhale. Good, working those rectus abs on the way up and down, engaging the core, those transverse abs. Now, if you like to bring up the intensity, grab your dumbbell, hold it horizontally, and you can either start here or go ahead and do that full range. Doing about another 10 seconds how you like. Inhale back, shoulder blades touch, come right back up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and finish the one you're on. Very good. Place the weight down and carefully lie all the way down on your mat. Okay, from here, let's go ahead and bring one leg up in the air. We're gonna go ahead and have our hands, fingertips together. We're gonna reach up towards that toe and then bring it down. Exhale, reach up and lower. Ready? 8 of these. Lift up and down for 7. Good. 6, 5, reach for the shoelaces. 4, you're doing great. In 3, we're gonna switch right away. 2, set that foot down, other leg comes up, and 8 of these, here we go. Inhale, exhale, reach, 8, 7, you've got it. Lift, 6, 5, come on, 4 more. Breathe, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a few seconds to relax and take a quick break. And when you're ready, we're gonna grab your dumbbell. Back to the side that we did first. Elongate the same side arm, lift this leg up, arm reaches back, and we're going up diagonal towards the shin, and then coming back. Ready? 8 of these, go. Exhale, cross for 8. 7, you've got it. 6, 5, stay there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick transition. Switch, other leg out, other arm down, and go. 8, all the way up to the shin. 7, you can do it. 6, breathe. In, 4, 3, good job. 2, and 1, very nice. Set that weight down. Bring your legs up to tabletop, hands light behind the head. We're gonna do a little swivel crunch for those obliques. So we're gonna rotate to one side, elbow towards the heel. Same side, reach towards the heel. Do it again. Rotate and swivel. 5 of these. Good. There's 4. And reach. You got it. 3. Knees are staying together. Here's 2. And 1. We're gonna switch right away. Go, other side. Rotate, reach for the heel. 5. Rotate, good. 4, come on. I know we're feeling it. 3, 2 more. 2, we're gonna continue on. Listen up. And in the center, add the reverse crunch. In and out for 10. 9, yes. 8, 7, make sure there's no space between your lower back and the floor. Good. There's 4, 3, 2, right knee in, left leg out, hold for 4, 3, 2, switch and hold, 4, 3, 2, and switch, 4, 3, 2, switch, 4, 3, good, switch 2 counts, 2, switch, 2, switch, 2, switch, singles, let's go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees in, rock it up, And we're finishing strong with a high plank position hold to finish out the time. Hands down, up on the toes, engage the core, pull the shoulder blades in your back pocket, squeeze the glutes, and hold 20 seconds. Whew, this is it, finishing up. Breathe right through this. We're almost there. Come on, don't let that back cave in. Stay strong. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Drop those knees, sink back for a child's pose. Woo, you did it. Great job. Go ahead and gently bring it up. Let's go ahead and do a quick stretch. Take a seat. One hand down, one arm reaches up and over the ear. Now, if you're feeling really good, feel free to rewind this video and get a second round in. Good, place it down, other side, reach. Nice job. And centered up. You guys are all done for today. Thank you so much for doing this workout. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.